Hello again, my friends. Let's have a look at issue 31 for Batmobile Tumbler, where we'll have a look at the steering motor. Let's have a look. So, just to check, not really see them anywhere. So we have the steering motor here with a switch and some wiring, a couple of switches and wires. Okay, so this wiring should be like pre-numbered 2, 3 and 4. Straightforward. So the wire on the steering motor is number 2, which goes into motor socket there, and then the switches 3 and 4, self-explanatory. So 3 goes into 3. And switch 4 into its corresponding wire there. Okay. So the numbers should face up when you are connecting them. So there you go. 2, 3 and 4 together. And this is stage 31 completed. I shall see you shortly in stage 32, where it looks like we'll have a look at the speaker.